Welcome to Cruise Low. Thank you for checking us out. Help support the channel by hitting the subscribe button for upcoming new content. We are heading up the Grapevine to Frazier Park on the south edge of Kern County for the 14th annual Ridge Route Run car show. We saw a car at the show that we hadn't seen before and wanted to share it. It is this 1957 Buick Caballero estate wagon. The owner found it 4 years ago with the paint and upholstery in good shape, but it needed some mechanical restoration. It has a 1966 Buick Riviera drivetrain with a 425 nailhead engine. Buick only produced this model for 2 years, as it was expensive to build. There were about 14,000 made. This one took home the award for Best 1950 to 1959 car at the Ridge Route Run car show. This show handed out plenty of awards. Let's take a look at Best of Show.
The Best of Show. This was a tough one. There was 2 cars that were extremely close on this one. But Delia, you won. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for all the winners today. Thank you very much for coming up here.